just to kind of double check myself.
Yeah.
And I've been working on 14, and I'm quite not quite there yet. But let's go through the first part, and then we'll get to there. We'll get to 14, 15.
All right. Awesome. Hold on one sec.
So first few are pretty self-explanatory. Um, let's do number 5. Do you know why they use 10 as like the standard?
The standard deviation or what?
No, no, no. It's
Sorry.
you know the equation at the in the book where it goes
Oh yeah, the
NP
new
is
one.
greater than 10 and N parentheses 1 minus P parentheses is greater than or equal to 10.
Uh-huh.
I,
Let me take a look.
yeah, go ahead. Like it just gives you the formula. It doesn't explain like why 10.
Stable distribution of p hat will be normal by CLT when both NP is greater than or equal to 10 and N 1 minus P. I have no idea.
I mean, it works. I mean, the formula works. My answers came the same answers that Brandon got. Like for number 7, uh, I just took, I took 40 because you go 40 times 1/4 equals 10. So it has to be greater than or equal to 10. So it's the smallest n that satisfies the requirement. It's 40. And it works. Just to remember, it has to work for once you find a number for one, you have to make sure it works in the other formula as well. So
Okay.
if they don't work, if it only works in one, it's not right. Use the following information to answer the next two questions. So n equals 24 and then p equals 0.4, and you just plug it into that formula, the p hat formula, where it goes p hat is equals square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Okay.
It's right below where we're at in the book. And then
Okay.
what is the standard deviation of p? This, I actually skipped this one. Let's work on this one, huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Which number is it?
It's number 9.
Number 9.
Yeah, so the standard. So, let's see here. In the book. Oh, I remember writing this down in my notes.
So the standard deviation is the square root of p times 1 minus p over n, so the sample size. So it's the mean times 1 minus the mean divided by the sample mean. That's what n equals, right?
Sample size is n, right?
Sample size is n, sorry. Sample
You're good.
size.
By the way, how'd your test go?
Oh, good. I got like a 94.
Wow, way to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Me and Carter studied a bunch before it, though.
That's awesome.
It was, it's nice because, like, I'm really good at the parts where I can, like, plug in the information into the Excel thing
Yeah.
and stuff. Like, once you figure out which, like, test you need, but, like, it's like the trying to explain
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know where I messed up, and you can't tell to see what you missed unless you make a meeting with her. I ended up with an 89, which is.
That's really good, though.
Oh, I thought I like freaking aced that thing, man. I didn't think I missed one thing on it, so I'm a little bit bugged that I did, but oh
Yeah.
well.
I'm sorry. That's a really good score, though. You shouldn't beat yourself up.
Eh, next time we'll get better. So where'd you find this standard deviation formula again? It should be the regular deviation formula, right? Just with different things.
Um, so she has like a little like announcement for each week,
Yeah.
and there's like a table that shows like the quantitative versus categorical,
Uh-huh.
kind of like comparing them, and the sample distribution. So finding the standard deviation of P because the mean equals P, right?
Right.
Yeah. So then the standard deviation equation is right below that.
Hold on, I'm looking.
Make sure you're looking at lesson 16.
It's on the announcements though, on the front page, right?
Yeah.
Whoa. Probably help do my test, huh?
Huh?
Probably should go over this though when I'm doing my test. Let's see, lesson 17. And
Do you see that little chart there? Or table, sorry. Don't know what my words are.
I'm still going down. Okay, quantitative and categorical for P. Oh, this seems sweet.
Yeah, it's really helpful. So, you know what? I'm gonna go grab my graphing calculator because it's much better than my iPhone.
Okay. Huh.
Your ramen's getting close to finish. Thank you. I really appreciate it so much. All right. So,
That's awesome. I didn't know this was here.
yeah, I didn't really think about like looking at that before
Right.
I did everything. I'm like, you know, this could probably make it a lot easier.
I'm just gonna write this down in my notes real quick.
Yeah, no problem.
Right here. So P minus P divided by N. I feel like I have this written down somewhere. I do. Oh, I have this written down in my notes.
Do you?
Yeah, just a little bit earlier on. That's dumb. Okay. Let's move on.
So I got 0.1, which is what Brandon got. You want to see what you get?
Negative 0.1?
Just 0.1.
Oh, weird.
Did he get negative? No.
Or number 9. Yeah, negative 0.1. The parentheses stand for negative, right?
What do you mean?
So negative in Excel stands for, or when you have parentheses in Excel, it stands for negative.
Oh, yeah, if they're red. I think they're supposed to be red.
Oh, yeah, they could be red or they could just be in parentheses.
Okay. I got positive 0.1.
Let me do the calculation real quick.
Okay. None. Thank you so much. Like, I owe you.
So for P, 0.4 and my and times 0.4 close parentheses divided by N, which is 24. Oh, I got positive 0.12.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
Unless I'm screwing up.
Excel, like, it's good and bad, you know, like,
Yeah.
it's all about how you put it in there. It kind of is annoying and stuff.
Yeah. So for P, what is the mean of P hat? That's when you have to use the other formula. We go P hat equals, wait a second. P hat equals P. Wait. P
Yeah, then which one what are you talking about?
So number 8.
Thank you so much. Number 8 So, yeah, P hat equals P. Because P is the mean. And
So that should be 4.4.
yeah.
All right. Let's move on. Let's make sure I
So
didn't put negatives. I put a negative for that too, but okay, yeah. So I know I see the form. That makes sense. P hat equals P. And then did we run through? Did we skip any before we got here? Did we get number 7 was 40, right? Yeah, we got that.
I got, yeah, 40 for number 7.
8.4, 9.1.
Mhm.
Okay, what is P hat? And this one, and I have Brandon point.
So I think for this one, you're supposed to just take the sample size, which is 35.
All right.
No, that's n. Something divided by the sample size.
Oh yeah.
So I think it's
Is it
35.
0.3 divided by sample size? Or
What?
divided by 100?
Let me see.
So P hat equals X divided by N. So,
Okay, so our x would be 35,
so
right?
yeah, I think.
Okay, so it'd be 0.35. Take it
Yes.
divided by n.
Yeah,
which
yeah,
is
yeah,
something-
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, cool. This is super easy stuff.
Yeah, I like it. It's much better.
I like it too. It's a nice turnaround. Okay. All right, standard deviation of P.
Okay, and on this one, number 11 was the standard deviation of P hat. We just kind of did that. It was P times 1 minus P divided by N, right?
Yes.
So I'm going to come up here. I'm going to go P equals 0.3. I'll get a square root of that bad boy.
Yeah, 0.046. Let's see what he got. 0.046. Awesome.
Makes you feel good when you get it right, huh?
I know. Without Carter.
1 minus 3 divided by N, which was 100. Equals that for 3.045. Yeah. 0.046. Okay.
Cool.
Number 12. What is the z-score? That is dumb.
So if you go back to that chart, it should have it on there too.
So what I have my notes, and I haven't looked at the chart yet, but just maybe you could tell me if I'm right or wrong. It's P hat minus P divided by the square root, or the deviation, the square root of P times 1 minus P.
Divided by N.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. 1.019491. I'm going to say it. I'm not going to do all that. What is the probability of Brittany getting at least 35 hits? Let me think about this one. So number 13. What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at bats? Okay. Let me think here. So would we have to do the x minus divided by n again? So it would be 35.
Don't we just plug it into the applet?
Oh yeah.
And let's see, what is it asking? It's at least 35 hits.
Yeah.
So then which sides do we?
Should be just the
right side?
No, it should be. Oh, I don't know.
This is what I don't get, like how to know which parts you shade, you know?
Yeah. So
Like,
it should.
I'm just like,
Let me think. So at least 35 hits. So if you put that in, it should be just to the right, just the right side. If I remember right. I'm think about it right. So at least 35 hits. Oh, it would have to
so
be in the middle.
0.137.
Oh,
Well, it looks like Brandon got 0.138.
no.
So that's when you put the z-score in, that's just the right side
Okay.
because the area is 0.1376. So that would make sense, yeah.
Okay. And just really quick, when you found the z-score, you just did the regular dot p hat minus p, that same equation, right? Just the previous
Yeah,
previous
I checked
question.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mhm. You just use that equation for it and it just spits it out for you. It's nice because you find the standard deviation first.
Right.
And so you just have to put the p hat minus p and then divide it by that number that you just got.
Oh yeah. Very nice. Okay.
So 0.138 for number
Mhm.
13. Okay, cool.
Okay. And use the following
Let's
question.
see.
What is the standard deviation of p's? We're going standard deviation again. And the p value is square root y. Freaking thousand. Point zero.
Oh, I'm good. Thank you, though. You're so sweet. So I got 0.011.
Yeah. And
Awesome.
you should just have to put that. What z-score would you use? And then you just go. The top part of it would be p hat divided by minus p, right?
Yeah.
But we have to figure out p hat before we can minus p. So it's
You're right.
52
So,
divided by 2000, right?
p hat equals x divided by n. So what's our x to find our p hat?
So to find p hat, I don't know. Less than 50% of the vote. The only thing I can think of is p. So
What?
I'm gonna look at my notes again real quick. So to find p hat, you go x minus n. X is sample mean. Oh, so and p hat equals p. Hold on, let me think. Ah, my brain's fried.
Good.
I think it's just p. I think we take p, we go 0.52 divided by 2000. And then we take.
To find p hat?
Oh, maybe no, that can't be right because that'd be a negative number. Oh, maybe this is what he was saying when he got it wrong, and he said he thinks it's a negative number. Let's see.
Let's see.
I got it wrong.
Let's see what I can do. How to?
1.79. Okay, he thinks it's negative. And I'm gonna go through the equation and see if I come up with what he thinks it is.
Okay.
So, whoa. Nope. Standard deviation.
trying to think of like how we could work backwards.
We could, the problem is that we have, in order to work backwards, we would have to know the z value
Yeah.
in order to get p, in order to solve for p hat. We don't have the z value. I don't know. I'll try my equation one more time and see what happens. Doesn't make any sense. Where did you get the? We got the 0.011 for the lower part, right?
Mhm.
See, that doesn't make any sense. Okay, give us a bit different number here. Standard deviation for p hat. I don't know. Let's come back to it. I need a break of it.
Sounds good.
16.
Well, we need that though, because we need the z-score to find the probability. Okay. This sucks.
Z-score B. What would it? Z-score would be. Oh, wait a second. Oh, we can work backwards. Oh,
We can?
maybe not. I don't know. I'm just thinking maybe we could use that 50% of votes, losing side. No, that would.
Did Brandon say that he got 0.037 for 16? If we get that, we can find the z-score using that.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
We could, and then we could figure out how to and then that could help us find the number for the p hat number, and then we can see how that compares to the other numbers. I don't know. I'm so confused with that one right now.
Okay, to find p hat, you get x over n. What the heck is x? Sample size, sample. I'm not sample mean. Don't have a mean. P hat equals p. Let's try that. I don't know. Makes sense. So my question is, you have two things that they tell us. It says the mean of p hat is equal to p. It says to find p hat x
Don't say anything. You
over
are.
n.
Wait, no, I don't know. Nope, not that I can recall. I don't lie. I just said that I can recall. I can't recall doing anything. Everybody is.
Yeah. Actually, we can't sometimes, so it's.
So what happened?
I don't know, Chief.
Have a.
Don't know.
Oh, should we just write about the
14, we got 14 fine, which is
I
standard deviation of p
feel
hat.
like I should not. I come here a lot.
So when I put it in the probability applet, I got 1.787.
What'd you put in the applet?
I put the probability that Brandon got for number 16
Right?
in the area. And it's 1.787 for that. I don't know. I'm gonna see how that helps with this.
You probably should.
This is very frustrating.
What would you use? Flipping, I don't know.
I love Lipton. That's conflicting.
Did you put negative 1.79? Okay, let me-
For which one?
So he says he thinks the z-score is negative 1.79.
1.79.
0. That doesn't make any sense. It gives a 36.
Do you think it? Yeah.
Have you seen me? You not seen?
I'm,
Can we watch Bachelor?
yeah, it's fine.
Okay. I don't know if you're doing like.
I'm almost done, I promise. Yeah, well, he can see you, so,
Online conference.
right here.
Hi.
This is Kyle, he's in my group. This is my
Kyle.
roommate,
Hey,
Julia.
what's up?
Sorry.
No, you're fine. I see where I see how negative or 0.037 works. I mean that, and he got it right for 16.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It doesn't make any sense.
Why would it be negative 1.79 though?
Because he's shading only the left side. But I don't know.
So hi.
I don't know.
0.037.
That's it. I'm gonna try it.
Try the
Right.
negative 1.787.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Go some quiz.
Oh, really?
Go make quiz. Yes.
No. It's like a lot of
Oh, got it right.
The negative one?
Yeah, negative 1.79.
Money.
Why
Yeah,
though?
and you want me to say something anyway?
That's so weird.
I got it.
That doesn't make sense though. Is there one in the book that's like that?
I was looking to find it.
Go ahead.
Let me look again. So z-score.
You know the final two, right?
The only problem is finding p hat. I don't get how he came up with negative. To find p hat, you have to have x divided by n. And supposedly he found that because he found the z-score. Now, well, did I lose you? Hello? Hello? Can you hear me still? Hello? Okay. No. No, the computer died. Yeah. No.
Sorry.
Oh,
It
there
kept
you are.
telling me it was gonna go die and then I forgot to get the
You
charger.
ignored it.
I hate that.
I'm still trying to figure this out. It's not working. We have to find p hat in order to solve the equation.
She's crazy. They're all crazy. That dress.
There's gotta be some, like,
Wrap it around her.
formula somewhere. Did you see one in the book?
I read the book and I didn't, like I said, the only formula I have is the z formula. They say p hat minus p and all that stuff in order to get the z value.
Mm-hmm.
Here's a politician election example. Let me read through it real quick.
She actually is really like normal now.
Oh, I get it.
What?
Freak.
So first she does do some crazy things in this episode.
Okay, it's 0.5.
It's 0.5?
Yeah. So let me do the equation real quick.
Is that because of the getting less than 50% of the votes?
Yeah. So
Seriously?
I think it has to be negative 0.5.
Okay.
So let's try it out. Go equals negative 0.5 minus or plus, because it's positive number, plus what was it, 0.52?
Yes.
0.5. Divide that bad boy equals this. Dang it.
Did not work.
Oh, in the book, so it's in the book at the very bottom. It is 0.5.
Oh,
0.5 or no, yeah, no, I was wrong. I had it backwards.
Same on her side.
Let me do this again. It's 0.52. 0.52 plus 0 or minus, excuse me, right?
minus 0.52, yeah.
Minus. It's point.
Tell us.
Okay, so let me think about it. I'll go back to the book. 0.5.
You're wrong, bro.
And I've only wanted to work out. But this is more than money. So you're very, I mean,
I don't know the final two. I just know the
my
final.
daughter cried when you broke up with me.
This.
Oh, that's true. You don't me.
Negative 0.79. Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I am so happy right now.
Okay.
I'm not gonna get engaged. just
So it's
because
negative because they said they wanted it lower than point. What's the probability of it that he won't win. So that's why it has to be negative.
Yeah. That makes sense. That is frustrating that that took us so long. Okay.
Perfect.
Cool.
I'm not gonna do the last one. It's
Awesome.
self-explanatory.
Oh, you did the last one?
No, yeah, but it's self-explanatory. You just
Oh,
plug the
yeah.
numbers.
You good? Yep.
Perfect.
Awesome. Okay. Have
Did
a good
great.
night. And
Did
do we know when we're meeting tomorrow?
Nobody said it at any time.